We will tell you the 11 rules of money the rich follow to stay rich. You don't follow these rules, and that's why you remain poor. The last rule is very crucial, so watch this video till the end. Now let's start. Number 1. Living below means. Living within your means is more than merely a financial strategy. It's a way of life that establishes the foundation of fiscal responsibility. The rich people always live below their means to preserve their wealth. They use their money for huge investments rather than splurging it. Think of the budgeting blueprint as your trusted guide, helping you align your spending with your long-term goals and personal values. This approach goes beyond basic financial planning. It involves actively developing a mindset of thoughtful spending and purposeful saving. Budgeting involves closely monitoring every dollar that enters and leaves your financial ecosystem. It's a careful process designed to prevent small leaks that can gradually undermine the financial stability. When individuals carefully track all of their expenses, they can develop a thorough understanding of their financial situation. With a keen eye for financial management, individuals are able to protect themselves from unnecessary spending and make intentional use of their resources. Number 2. Enhancing budgeting skills. Mastering budgeting skills goes beyond simply making a spreadsheet or relying on financial apps. It requires a dedicated effort to meticulously categorize expenses, and this talent is possessed by the millionaires. It's crucial to have a deep understanding of how your money is spent, distinguishing between essential expenses and discretionary ones, and making well-informed choices about where to invest your funds. Using apps for automatic tracking is a modern tool that enhances the process, offering immediate insights into your financial habits. One of the main principles of this budgeting plan is consistently reducing unnecessary expenses. It's important to carefully examine non-essential expenses and find ways to save money without sacrificing your quality of life. Approaching finances with a thoughtful mindset involves allocating resources strategically towards what holds true value, rather than focusing on deprivation. If you want to know more amazing financial tips and tricks to get rich, then do subscribe to our channel and also press the like button. Number 3. Investing early and often. Investing early and frequently can help you maximize the potential growth of your investments. By consistently contributing to your portfolio, you can take advantage of the power of compounding and turn your dreams into reality. The rich know this very well and follow this also. Understanding the power of investing comes from recognizing the importance of time and the potential for compounding returns. It is crucial to start sowing seeds early and provide proper care for their growth. To maximize your returns, it's important to consider strategies such as opening tax-advantaged retirement accounts, consistently investing each month, and reinvesting any gains and dividends you earn. Consistently investing over time is crucial for driving the portfolio's upward momentum and achieving financial success. Number 4. Developing multiple sources of income. When it comes to navigating the world of personal finance, the idea of diversifying your income sources is often seen as a key to long-term stability and success. A more dynamic and forward-thinking approach is replacing the traditional notion of relying solely on only one supply of income. This approach recognizes that genuine prosperity comes from expanding income streams, guaranteeing a consistent flow of resources from multiple sources. Developing multiple sources of income is like nurturing a financial ecosystem that benefits from a wide range of opportunities. It's a careful approach to steer clear of relying too heavily on just one source. There are many different ways to create these streams, each bringing its own unique value to the financial landscape. Number 5. Buying assets that generate passive income. Generating passive income through various assets is an important aspect of this comprehensive strategy. These assets quietly generate returns without requiring constant attention. Investments in stocks, real estate, or dividends from carefully managed portfolios demonstrate the power of passive income to enhance financial stability. When individuals focus on their strengths and expertise, entrepreneurial projects can serve as a strategic way to diversify their income. These projects go beyond mere financial gain. They are driven by a vision and a desire to make a meaningful contribution. By focusing on projects that align with personal strengths, individuals can not only increase their income but also find fulfillment in their pursuits. Number 6. Streamlining finances. Automating financial tasks can help alleviate stress and promote consistency. By utilizing automatic transfers, bank bill payments, and robo-advisors for investing, money management becomes much more efficient. With automation, decision fatigue becomes a thing of the past, as compound gains can effortlessly grow on a daily basis. Number 7. Making future a priority. It is essential to prioritize saving for the future. It's important to allocate a portion of your income from each paycheck, establish a safety net for unexpected expenses, and prioritize paying off debts with high interest rates. Ensuring future financial health is crucial for building resilience against life's uncertainties. Number 8. Invest in oneself. When it comes to personal and financial growth, investing in oneself is the key to unlocking success. The rich are very cautious about this rule and follow this also. This idea goes beyond the conventional understanding of financial investment, acknowledging that genuine wealth encompasses more than just money. Investing in oneself is a dedication to constantly improving knowledge, skills, and personal growth. Similar to the way financial capital grows, knowledge and skills also have the incredible ability to compound over time. This compounding effect is achieved by actively and consistently working to enhance one's intellectual and practical abilities. There are various options available for investment, which mirror the complex nature of personal growth. Number 9. Searching the quest for knowledge. One of the fundamental principles of this philosophy is the relentless pursuit of knowledge through different channels. Online courses have become essential for acquiring new skills and staying in line in a rapidly evolving world. They offer accessible and specialized learning experiences that are valuable in today's fast-paced environment. Through ongoing learning, individuals can not only improve their existing skills, but also prepare themselves to navigate new developments and seize potential opportunities. Books, seen as valuable sources of knowledge, offer a way to invest in personal growth. Reading is a wonderful way to expand your knowledge and stimulate your mind. Whether you're diving into timeless literature, exploring the latest ideas from thought leaders, or delving into subject-specific publications, developing a habit of reading books is essential for continuous personal growth, cultivating a mindset of curiosity and exploration. Number 10. Strategic decisions for expansion. In addition, taking calculated risks on growth opportunities demonstrates a proactive approach to investing in oneself. It requires pushing past familiar boundaries, tackling intimidating obstacles, and embracing opportunities that foster growth in both personal and professional realms. These calculated risks can be instrumental in driving growth, pushing individuals towards new opportunities and broadening their range of skills and experiences. Number 11. Learning the art of patience. Achieving financial freedom necessitates resisting immediate temptations in order to reap future rewards. Developing endurance requires incorporating specific time frames into important choices, staying focused on future objectives, and implementing a system of incentives to encourage patience and delayed gratification. Having patience is crucial for achieving long-term success. The rich are patient because they know their plans will succeed surely. Watch the video appear on the left side to know what are the things the rich do but you don't. Subscribe to our channel to stay updated about the latest financial news and secrets to become a millionaire.